birthday of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who was born on 14th April 1891.
He was an Indian politician and a social reformer. He is remembered for his contribution for drafting the Indian Constitution
and for standing up for the rights of Dalits and downtrodden.
This day is celebrated not only in India but across the world. Thank you.
रुकना अब नहीं, झुकना अब नहीं, इतिहास कर नया। शेर ज़ां निगल, सारे रुख बदल, दिखला जोश नया। रुकना अब नहीं, झुकना अब नहीं, इतिहास कर नया। शेर ज़ां निगल, सारे रुख बदल, दिखला जोश नया। साथ चलो, साथ है बुद्ध की राहें, डट के चलो, मंजिलें खोले बाहें। साथ चलो, साथ है बुद्ध की राहें, डट के चलो, मंजिलें खोले बाहें।
I am Ramji Sakpal, the father of Bhimrao.
I am Bhima Vaisappa, mother of Bhimrao.
Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 in Mahau, now Madhya Pradesh. His father was a soldier in British Army. After his father's retirement, Bhimrao settled in Satara, Maharashtra. He was enrolled in a local school. He was an intelligent and hard-working student. But as he was born as Sudras, meaning untouchables, he experienced caste discriminations right from his childhood. Please let me sit. No, go away. He was not allowed to sit with his classmates in the school. Please give me some water.
He was not allowed to drink water from where others go.
He don't go.
Please let me play. Nor was he allowed to play with the other children. He was also not allowed to enter the temples. Despite many difficulties, young Bhimrao never lost heart. By the quality of his hard work, determination and commitments, he earned several scholarships to support his education. His teachers gave him the surname Ambedkar in school records. He became a barrister and got a doctorate in science. While practicing law in Bombay High Court, he tried to promote education to the untouchables and uplift them.
We will not suffer anymore. Let us fight together.
In 1947, when India became independent, the first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, invited Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, who had been elected as a member of the Constituent Assembly from Bengal, to join his cabinet as a law minister. He was then appointed as the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee.
Please take your seat.
Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar became the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. In February 1948, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar presented the draft constitution. It was adopted on November 26, 1949. He never stopped working for the nation. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar will always be alive in our hearts.